Now I'm Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, my name is Matilda, and today this is the look I'll be creating. I hope you like this look, and if you do, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it. And let's get into the video. Well, today we're going to start off with the eyes, and I've been really liking the color purple, so that's why I created this look. And I'm going to start off with my transition shade, which is going to be this color and also this color. I'm going to be applying it all over my crease with a fluffy brush like this. So when you're blending your eyeshadow, the best way to do it so for a very blended look is to apply the crease colors in circular motions like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be applying this shade and this shade together. I'm going to mix it into my crease. Now next up, I'm going to go in with this shade and also this shade, and I'm going to be applying that on my outer corners to deepen the crease. Now I'm going to go in with my Hush Beauty palette and go in with this pink whitey shade here, and I'm going to be applying it all on my lids here. Then I'm going to go in to this orange shade and apply it at the middle. I'm just trying to not move my eyes because I don't want to crease. So yeah, that's why I'm just stiff. And I'll be using a flat brush to achieve this look. Flat brush like this. So you do not want to move your eyes when you apply your primer or your concealer, so it won't crease. Now I'm going to go in with this pencil brush and also go in with this shade, mixed with this shade, and I'm just going to smudge that on my lid between the orange shade and the purple shade. Now I'm just going to do my liner and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. I just applied my Maybelline Fit Me foundation all over my face. Now I'm going to use this buffing brush, flat brush to blend it all over my face. So I'm just tapping it into my face. So I just applied my concealer on my face, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend everything out. So guys, I'm going to mix my Zaron setting powder and also my classic loose powder together, and I'll use that to set my face with my powder puff and also my brush. Now I'm Now I'm done setting my face. I'm going to start off by baking under my eyes, and I think I'm going to bake on my forehead too. While under my eyes are baking, I'm going to contour my face and let that bake for a few seconds. I won't let it take long. I'm going to be using my face definer as usual from Zaron. I'm going to be using the dark shade, and I'm going to be using this brush to contour my face. So to get even more definition in my face, I'm going to sculpt out my cheekbones with the powder. Just going to carve it out. Now that my face is bathed in powder, I'm just going to apply some blush to my cheeks to give it some rosiness. Then I'll dust off the excess powder. It's time for my favorite part, guys, highlighting. So I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones. Now moving on to the lips. I do not want to do anything too dramatic. I just want to go for a nude lip. So I lined my lips off camera and I'll be using this Huda Beauty lipstick and just applying it all over my lips. And this is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also share it to everyone you know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.